Alright, so I am back and I am gonna just start out with talking about what is gonna happen and also quickly showing you how to actually install the course platform here if you want to install it yourself. And I'm also gonna continue this series, and I'm also gonna continue the social network series, but I'm gonna start out finishing the course platform series. So to actually download this project, what you can do here is you can go in Visual Studio Code, for example, and you can go in and click a new window. Let's just open a new window here, and let's create a new terminal. So I'm currently in here, and then I'm gonna just make a directory. And then if I go in here and write git clone, and then now if I go in and open a folder, we now have this open. So there's a few things we need to get done before this will work properly. One of them is going into the backend directory and write PHP. Actually, we need to do compose install. Then we should do PHP artisan key generate. But before I do any of this, let's go in here and actually we can do this from the command line itself. So if we go in as well, I'm just gonna write one long command that will just basically set this up. So cp, and then let's say env.example so.env. So now we have an application key set in here. And also what we can do here is we can go in and just create a script file for this. So let's create a script file here called get started.script, and in here let's just put this down on a new line, and also let's run, actually we don't want to run migrate because in this case we don't know if the database configuration is correctly set, so therefore we just want to do this. So by doing this now, you can set up the project here, go in and put your database configuration, and then all you just need to do is just run PHP artisan serve. But before I do that, I'll just go in here and copy and paste the configuration file for the database, because we just want to use the same one in this case. And also we want to make sure that inside here there's a session domain equals localhost. This might fix an issue if you have any issues with CSIF. So this is really important to have. So if we go in and say PHP artisans migrate first and then serve, because there's nothing to migrate now because this is already used database. And obviously I want to go in here and just close this so I can use the new one here. So let's just run this again, and let's go into the front end. So at the front end we just want to do one simple thing. We just want to say npm 1 dev and also npm install. I'm just using npm I for install here. So what this basically should do is we now have the vendor file in here, vendor folder in here, and then we have the front end where we will have the node models and essentially that should fix the issues and allow you to actually set this project up now. So it should be everything. So let's go in and see this running. And also, if you want to contribute here, I'm gonna add in a contribution file. But for now, let's just go in and see how it looks like. So I already created one test course. You can go in and create an admin user. Just make sure that inside Table Plus, which is the database program I'm going to be using, that inside here, inside users, that the user you have created is an admin if you want to create a new course. So what you can do here is you can go create a new course. Account settings you also need to get done, subscription settings as well, and a profile. So yes, this is basically everything for this video. I just wanted to show you how to set this up. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will post new videos soon.